It is important to talk about some new laws going into effect.
Yeah, that's right. 6 News reporter Sydney Walker did some research on those new laws in our state. So here's a breakdown of what you need to know.
Central Texas. It's a fresh start for us all and a new chapter for Texas politics. Here are 9 Texas laws that went into effect New Year's Day. First up, Senate Bill 8. That requires sheriffs in counties with jails to work with ICE and help perform immigration enforcement duties. The counties can also apply for grants between $80,000 and $140,000 to help with costs. Supporters say it's about public safety, but critics warn of potential racial profiling. Also new, House Bill 9. Supporters say it's a big win for Texas businesses. It exempts up to $125,000 of businesses' inventory from being taxed, including by counties, cities, and school districts. It's a big step up from the former $2,500 exemption. But the Legislative Budget Board estimates local governments could lose $442 million in revenue by fiscal year 2027 unless they raise tax rates. On the property front, Senate Bill 38 speeds up evictions for squatters. One portion went into effect in September, with the rest taking effect January 1st. Though housing advocates worry it could weaken protections for legitimate tenants. Speaking of property and taxes, Senate Bill 1023 aims to make property taxes more transparent, requiring taxing units to use a specific electronic form and show their work so that taxpayers can verify the rates easily. Moving to the digital world, House Bill 149 sets rules for how AI can be developed and used in the state. It's called the Texas Responsible AI Governance Act. It sets rules for AI development, banning AI that encourages self-harm or crime, enables discrimination, or produces certain sexual or child-related content. Other changes, House Bill 2067 requires insurers to give written reasons when declining coverage. And House Bill 3699 simplifies unemployment claims by redefining who qualifies as a worker's last employer. And lastly, a bill in limbo. House Bill 2420, which would have required age verification for app downloads and purchases, remains blocked. A federal judge ruled the law likely violates the First Amendment. 8 new laws, one with an unknown future, dozens of new changes. Sydney Walker, 6 News.
Well, speaking of Senate Bill 8, next Tuesday, the McLennan County Board of Commissioners will be voting on the Sheriff's Office agreement with ICE enforcement in our county jails.
Also, Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton has appealed the judge's blocking of House Bill 2420, but the law won't go into effect for now.